Welcome to Tech CJ's Video Notebook. In this video, we'll dive deep into RTD temperature sensors, how they work, their different types, and where they are used in industries. RTDs, or resistance temperature detectors, are sensors that measure temperature based on resistance changes in a metal wire, typically platinum. The higher the temperature, the higher the resistance. RTDs follow a simple principle: when temperature increases, resistance also increases. This relationship is given by the formula R equals R0, 1 plus alpha T, where alpha is the temperature coefficient of resistance. RTDs come in three common types: 2-wire, 3-wire, and 4-wire configurations. 2-wire RTDs are simple, but affected by lead wire resistance, while 3-wire and 4-wire RTDs provide better accuracy. Many people ask, should I use an RTD or a thermocouple? RTDs are more accurate and stable, but thermocouples respond faster and work in extreme temperatures. The best choice depends on the application. RTDs are used everywhere, from power plants to food safety, and even in aerospace applications where precision is critical. RTDs offer excellent accuracy and stability, making them ideal for critical applications. However, they can be slower to respond and more expensive than thermocouples. That's a wrap. Now you know how RTD sensors work and where they are used. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech videos, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.